too.
Oh yeah, that's right.
If you hear him like stop and there's movement towards us, just start shopping.
See, Mama went down there and something jumped in the water.
Something jumped in.
Something white.
Yeah, something jumped out and
Like it was right there and it jumped in the water. Make some noise and maybe they'll stop. Did you hear that? Can you hear it from your phone?
I'm not sure. I hope. You wanna go down?
Yeah. Is there anything right there or does it just drop?
It just dropped. So jump.
Not you.
Bailey, stop. I know you're scared. Stop. If you do that, you're going to fall. Bailey. Okay, if you fall, I'm going to let you. Quit. Quit. I have to hold on to you. The light is flickering. I thought somebody finished this.
Sounds like frogs. It sounds like frogs.
Don't ruin the moment.